And here is the reason why cats are one of the worst animals to have.
Amen.
All right. Who here is a cat lover? Raise your hand. You, right there. What's your name? Andre? Why do you like cats, bro?
I don't know.
Exactly. Anyone else? Right there, what's your name? Right there in the back.
Matt.
What? Okay, Matt. Why do you like cats?
Because they're fun.
So creative. But I asked my friend, like, okay, what's a good reason to like cats? And she's like, well, they don't really do much. They just eat, sleep, and do everything by themselves. I'm like, okay. So I'm having a fish. And she's like, no, you're not gonna pet a fish. You can't pet a fish. I'm like, have you tried? They can be really friendly because, no, think about it. Cats aren't like fish. They're like hamsters. But the difference between a hamster and a cat is when the hamster's fat, he's gonna start running on that treadmill as fast as he can. Cats, they don't care. They'll just walk around all feathered.
I'll deal with it tomorrow, man. I don't need this.
But, don't think I don't like cats. I babysat my ex's cat because, I was a good boyfriend at the time. What's so funny about that? But she's like, hey, can you do that? I'm like, yeah, sure. And when I got the cat, it was like a week I had it. One horrible night. Wait, she isn't here, is she? No, she ain't. Over here. All right. One horrible night. It was 3:26 a.m. 3:26 a.m. I'm trying to sleep, man. So I wake up. This cat is giving me the most death stare I ever saw. Exactly. I'm like, what's up, Bubbles?
Yeah.
This is a girl.
She's like, meow.
I'm like, do you need some food or something? She's like,
Yeah.
what I didn't know what was going to happen in a matter of 10 seconds scared me. She says,
Yeah.
one last time. And then she face hugs my whole body. She grabs me, starts scratching me like no tomorrow. And I did the most logical thing anyone would do. All right. You, right there, red hoodie. What's your name?
Austin,
Austin, what would you do in that situation?
hit the cat.
Did you cat? Easy. So I decided to... She's in here still. I grabbed her off of my face and I threw her. Now, picture this. Just shut your eyes for a minute. And my mom, she just hears this in the back. Oh my God! Some of you are calling that extreme. Want to know what I call that? I call it a reason to buy fish. Y'all have been so great. Thank you for having me.